Good morning, you guys. Noah and I are late. We gotta go. Let's go, guys. So me and Noah have an introductory class at the little gym today. Oh, look at me, radio. Me and Noah have an introductory class today at the little gym, so that's where I'm taking him. We're so excited. I cannot wait. We're kind of late. They told us to be there 10 minutes early. Our appointment is at 10:15. Or our class at 10:15 is 9:52. I mean, we're not late, but we are kind of late because I wanted to leave earlier. So I gotta go, guys. Bye. We made it to the little gym. No, are you excited? I gave him these snacks. He got both of them in his hand. He must not be hungry. Are you not hungry? Are you excited? I'm so excited. Like I'm the one going. You guys, I'm like so excited. Like it's me. Like it's my point. Like it's my. Okay, I gotta go. Here you go, Noah. Now go get one. Go get a shaker, Noah. Okay, I'll get it. I'll get you a shaker. Oh my goodness, you got a shaker? Get a shaker, Russell. Get a shaker. Is that, can I have this? Thank you.
Are you guys ready? Can we shake them up high?
Try, count nice and loud.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One at a time.
We're gonna count the balls.
Okay, here we go.
Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you doing? 13. What you doing?
Walk with your ball.
Grab a ball, Noah.
Walk with your ball like you can. Walk.
No, go get a ball. Go get a ball, Noah. Noah. It's a ball.
Thank you. Now, birdies, we're gonna count bean bags. I'm gonna throw them out one at a time, and you help me count the bean bags, okay? Get ready, and here we go.
1, 2, 3,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
It's a beanbag.
12. Now, everybody, throw your bean bag. Throw that bean bag.
Can you throw it to me? No?
Throw it.
Throw it.
Give it a good throw.
Throw it. Good job. You can throw everything else.
Beautiful. Keep going.
Alright, let's give our birdies a round of applause.
Yay!
Alright, you guys, we're gonna pick the balls up first if you will all sing along with me. It's time to put the
Balls away. Balls away. Uh-oh. Be careful. Is this so much fun? Do you like it?
Everyone stretch your wrists today. Everyone stretch your wrists. Play. Everyone is ready. Everyone is fast. So get yourself going. For the class.
You trying to get out?
Everyone here. All right.
Come on. Come on.
Everyone stretch your shoulders today. Everyone stretch your shoulders. Everyone is ready. Everyone is ready. Everyone is ready. Everyone stretch your elbows today. Everyone stretch your elbows. Everyone is ready. Everyone is ready.
It's time to jump on the air mat today. The air mat today. The air mat today. It's time to jump on the air mat today. At the little gym.
This is so cool.
We're going to do some counting to find the amount of different things.
The air match.
But first, let's go for a run.
Three, 4, 5.
Give them a hand.
I got this. So same paper monkey jumps just spotted the waist and they'll jump side to side this time.
Turn, kids and parents, if you'd like to try. Can you land on your feet? Go for it.
She's like, I got this. I got this. Alright, you guys, let's clap for our little birdies. Good job. Alright, I'm going to take this away and then I'm going to deflate the air mat. Get it down. Like, no. There you go. Alright, you guys. Last time during spring break.
So cute. Whoa, no, well, we're going down. We're going down.
Alright, great job, little birdies. Alright, you guys, it's time to go explore today.
You're so much fun, Noah.
He's doing awesome.
Thank you.
Looks like you're having fun.
I know, I can't believe this.
When did you start walking?
The day before he turned 9 months.
Really?
Yeah. So he's been walking.
For a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He practiced. He learned to crawl, I think, at like 7 months, and then all about 8 months he was like working on his balance and like standing up and stuff.
So he's like really advanced for his age.
Yeah. The only thing we did was we taught him how to crawl. That was it. And then like how to stand up and stuff. And then we occasionally like walked around the house, but we didn't want to like push him to walk because
so he just did it on his own.
we just waited for him to do it on his
awesome.
own. Yeah. And now I just want him to like.
She's having fun. That is inspiration. I'm going to show you guys 3 gymnastics stations. It's not forced. You don't have to do it. And then I'll just finish the stage in the last 15 minutes. Okay.
Noah. Hi, girl. Your cute self. Sorry. Say sorry. Girl, look at you. Traffic jam. Noah. 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 Come here, buddy. Green. Blue.
Alright, you guys, it's time for our first skill of the day. Today we're going to work on jumping and counting. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, does anyone want to come try? Their knees is a great start. So you can just slide their torso. 2, 3.
gotta do this roll, Noah. Yeah,
Okay, so we'll drop it.
Blue.
Aw, good cherry, Victoria.
Uh-oh, be careful.
Yeah, Victoria, you have one already.
No, Noah. Noah.
Thank you.
Noah.
Thanks.
What are you drawing, Morgan?
Is today her birthday?
Aw.
Is she gonna have a smash cake?
She did at her party on Sunday.
Oh, really?
Doesn't want anything to do with getting her hands dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the texture, it's the feel. She
Yeah.
wants like harder food.
Yeah.
Solid.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Like picking up wet things.
Yeah, you're welcome. This is safe.
Yeah. She actually ate strawberries earlier, which was at first.
Did she intrigue you?
Because it's strawberries.
Oh my god. She needs a cookie cake instead of regular cake.
Nothing, yeah. It was a really pretty cake. She stuck her hand in one time. She's like, I'm done. She didn't even. She's like, I'm done. She didn't even. Didn't even eat.
I can't even deal with how cute this is.
Your achievement. Hands go down. Look at your belly. Tumble, tumble, move around. Don't forget the fantastic round. Jump and up and up and up.
Noah. Noah. Go get the bubbles.
So you'd like to learn to hop and move around.
Go get the bubbles.
The second starts to recommend. Up high, touch the skies, put your hands down.
Alright, good job, little birdies. I did so awesome today. Alright, you guys, we're going to go ahead and sit in a circle. It's time to sit in a circle today.
Circle today, a circle today. It's time to sit in a circle today at the little gym.
Hi. Alright, you guys, our theme today was counting crows. Hi, Noah. Do I have bubbles in my hair? Probably.
No.
Morgan, bye-bye, Hazel. Bye-bye, Russell. Bye-bye, little birds. It's time to go on home.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna sit in the car for a little bit because Noah's in the back seat napping. He's like so tired from the class. It was so much fun. But I do want to tell you guys about what happened at the little gym, about just my experience with it. It was so much fun. Noah had a lot of fun just running around and seeing all the colors, and he enjoyed the activities. I think he loved the most the balls. We played with the balls twice with counting and then just, texture, rolling them around and stuff. I think like hand-eye coordination and stuff like that. Just meeting like the little kids. He enjoyed playing. He enjoyed like just seeing other kids, and there was one little girl that he did like, that he tried to like give a hug to. I don't think he really knew exactly what to do. With like really what to do. Like he was like grabbing her shoulder and stuff and like trying to pull her close, but Noah's kind of aggressive, so I was kind of scared that he was gonna hurt her. And then he was like rubbing at their face, because Noah's aggressive. He doesn't know like nice to be gentle and stuff. So that's just something that we have to work on, and that I'm glad that we were able to go, just because I feel like Noah's at the age where he wants to like not that he wants to. When he saw his cousin, I saw how excited he was to be around other kids. So I just felt that it'd be a good idea to put him in a class to where he can be around kids his own age. And it was crazy to see how much bigger Noah was compared to his peers. Like, it was one little boy who's 11 months. He was still in his little baby car seat. The original baby car seat. It was crazy. Then there was the little girl that he liked. She was smaller than him, but so she was a little smaller, and she was like really excited and jumping around. Like, it was just great. So I really hope that we're able to go back next Wednesday. So I'm just gonna try to convince his dad to sign us up for the class. Learning new things to do, and counting, and colors, and songs, and running around, the free play. It was so much fun. I really, really enjoyed it. My throat's so cracky, guys. I'm so glad that I'm vlogging so that I can share this experience with his dad who has to work, and his grandparents, and family and friends. I don't think we're gonna really do too much more today. If I got enough footage, then this will be the end of the vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Noah at the little gym, and I hope that I took enough video to make you feel like you were there. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna wait in the car while he's sleeping. Bye.